Hey everybody, Melissa here. So today I'm in Google Sheets and I'm going to show you how to use the if function. Now with the if function, basically all we're doing is telling Google Sheets to perform certain actions based on defined parameters or criteria. Now I know that sounds really complicated, but I promise you it's not, and once we're done here you'll be a pro at it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I have criteria here that has item and quantity, and then I have a results column that's empty, and this is where we're going to put our if function and define our parameters or criteria. So if we click here and do equals if and open our parentheses, then this box pops up. So the first thing that we're going to put in is our logical expression. And the easiest way to explain the logical expression is we're telling Google Sheets what it's looking for. And basically we're going to tell it to look in column B and determine if numbers are equal to or greater than 7 or below 7. So I'm going to click on B2 and I'm going to tell it greater than or equal to 7, and then I'm going to put a comma. The next thing we're going to do is value if true, and that is just what it sounds like. What do you want me to do, or what do you want me to put here if it is equal to or above 7? Well, I want you to put over in this cell. So I'm going to do in quotes over, close them, and put a comma. And then the last thing is, what do you want me to do if it is less than 7? Okay, I want you to type perfect. And let's hit enter. So now this is greater than or equal to 7, so it's over. If we come down here and double click, it'll carry our formula down, and these are over. These are perfect because they're below 7, and this one's over because it's equal to 7. And that is how you use the if function in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any feedback, questions, or ideas for future content, drop me a comment. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, thanks so much for watching.